What's up? I'm Todd Potter. We're here at the El Centro Air Force Base, and we're just doing a little show for the fans. Just got back from Mexico City. Got my teammate Kenny Bell jumping with me, and all in all, it's good. Thought it was going to be super hot down here, but it's actually like 90 degrees, which is pretty nice being this close to Mexico. Everybody's polite, and they're just enjoying the day. That's it. Todd Potter, Kenny Bell signing off. Awesome show. Fans were great. Signed a bunch of autographs. Getting ready to watch the Blue Angels. What's next for me? I'm going to Dubai for the next round of the Red Bull X Fighters. And I don't know, man. I'm just pumped. I'm riding my dirt bike. Peace.